What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to make this really fast. First of all, give a shout out to today's comment of the day, Diesel Does Fishing. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you. I've already filmed this video, so this intro is taking place after. I just wanted to tell you guys that I sat on this footage for a little while because I was going to make a better video, but some personal matters have taken place and I can't really fish at this very moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in here as a short video. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and roll the footage, so if you guys do enjoy my content, please let me know. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and ring the little bell so YouTube will notify you when I upload videos just like this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Wow, this wind is crazy. Hopefully that helps us out. I'm gonna start over here where I caught that one last time, and then I'm gonna work my way back to that beaver dam. I only have about an hour to fish. It's really hard to fish in this wind. Look at this. Looks like the top of a skull of some kind. Beaver, maybe? I don't know. It's pretty sweet. So the only reason that I'm not really taking my time and picking these places apart is because I've already fished here 100 times, and I know that my best chances are down here at the dam. So that's where I'm gonna go straight to. I'll make a few casts, but I'm not gonna sit and fish in a spot that I'm pretty sure I won't get bit. One fish. I tend to say that a whole lot when I come fishing. Just one fish, because I can't catch anything in these places. It gets so frustrating. Oh my God. I threw that right in a tree because of the stupid wind. You know, it's a perfect day to go fishing when you cast that way, but your lure goes that way. I'm not sure what that was. It was either thunder or somebody just dropped something really heavy. There's a fish. Heck yeah. Ah. Chill out, bud. Awesome. Got one for you guys. Hopefully one of a couple. I don't know, he just hammered that thing right by that little lay down there. Right after I heard that noise, I'm still not sure what that was. Here, let's get this guy in here. See you, buddy. I'm not sure what that was, whether it was thunder or something else. It didn't sound like thunder, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna keep fishing until I either hear it again or see lightning, and then I'm out. I'm not about getting electrocuted. I'm gonna make a few casts right here, and then I'm gonna get out of here because this storm's coming and you definitely don't want to be here if it starts thundering and lightning. I feel like I can catch a fish right here. There we go. I'm gonna burn him in really fast so I can get out of here. Yes. There's number two. God, he hammered this thing. Awesome. All right, see you, dude. There he goes. Yes.